What starts as a routine license plate stop quickly spirals into a life-altering arrest, involving a stolen tag alert, a car that doesn't legally belong on the road, and a discovery that changes everything. The driver insists she's just trying to do the right thing. But the law doesn't always care about intentions. As contradictions pile up and the body cam keeps rolling, one question becomes unavoidable. Is this a case of bad luck, or bad decisions? Watch closely because every word matters.
Hey, how you doing?
Just told me about the plate.
Yeah.
He said, so my friend worked for the dealership. He said he sold the company. He just texted, I'm like, what? So I got my plate back here. Look, just be safe. The plates are, he just told me. So I got my plate. I got my plate back here, but I got to get it. I gotta go to DMV, so I just came to get my keys from my friend. But
I got you. You got your ID on you real quick?
Yeah.
It's just you in the car, right?
Huh?
Yeah, it's just you in the car. Right?
Yeah.
Where you headed
literally
to?
Just, I came to my friend, she worked in the IRS building.
Oh, okay.
So I just came to get my keys.
Yeah.
And then I was going to take care of this. He literally just texted me and said, I sold the company. And I'm like, why you in front of me?
Yeah.
Does it alert you or something? Okay, so yeah, let me get
Every officer in the city of Chamblee got the alert.
Huh?
Every officer in the city of Chamblee got the alert.
Is it from Chamblee though?
It's from a different agency.
Okay.
But if it's stolen, it'll come back. It hits our cameras in the city.
Okay, so every camera I pass.
Right.
Okay, so yeah, I need to. So what's my best bet? Can I take it off and put this on?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it because it's stolen. It's reported stolen.
Okay.
So we gotta bring it back to the state.
So can I put
is that
this
your
on
current plate?
This is my current plate, but I just gotta go change
All right,
it.
can I see that real quick? I got you.
Because my other car got totaled.
Okay.
I had a red Nissan Kicks and it got totaled. So
Okay.
I had the plate since last year.
And let's see your address, Maury Avenue.
No, I live at now.
Okay.
I moved about. But this is my plate. I was calling DMV and everything just now, trying to figure out where do I go just to get the sticker, because I would need the sticker.
So what's the deal with the tag? Whose tag is it?
So it was my friend's tag, him and his wife. So he sold the car dealership that he had, he said.
Okay.
And he transferred over to his business partner that he was businesses with. So he called me this morning, but I wasn't able to answer. So he just texted me and said, just be safe, the plates was reported stolen. He said, tag is reported stolen, don't drive it anymore. I no longer own the company. And what? And lost rights to the tag.
Okay.
So that's what the message says. So he sold it, so he's not in business with his friend no more.
I got you.
I don't know what happened. I'm not getting involved, but I was just like, all right, let me get my keys from my friend and let me go and try to get my plates. But I was like, should I put my plates on? Yeah, right?
Yeah. Is it expired?
Yeah. It
Okay.
says August 2022.
I'd rather you put an expired tag on than a stolen one, right?
I'm not from here. I'm from New York.
I got you.
So I'm trying to figure out what I should do.
Right.
But I got like a little. You have something you can take it off?
Yeah, I'll take it off. No big
Okay,
deal.
and you'll put that one off?
Yep.
For me?
Well, yeah, I'll put it on for you.
So I'm safer driving with that?
Yes.
No
Well, let me check you out and
That's fine.
figure everything out, and then I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay. Thanks.
Miss Palmer, let me get you to step out one time. Yeah, just step out. You're not in trouble.
Oh, I'm like, what'd I do?
You mind just come to the front? All right. Is there any reason your car smells like weed?
Yeah, it would. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What's going on?
I just picked something up, but nothing major.
Pick something up. What'd you pick up?
Yeah, just to smoke.
Okay, what'd you pick up? You know, we ain't worried about a little bit of weed. I'm just.
Oh yeah, just a little bit, nothing major. I told I just came here to my friend to get my keys so I could go take care of these plates because I didn't want to get in trouble for the plates.
Yeah, I know.
My question to you is,
all right, so how much weed you got in the car? Just a little bit or a lot?
Yeah, just a little something.
This belongs to your Nissan Kick.
Yeah, that's what I said. I told you.
Yeah, so
but my Nissan Kick is totaled.
I got you. So actually, you wouldn't be able to put this on the back of this car because it's a whole totally different car.
So what can I do?
Transfer. Right now, you're just gonna have to try to get another tag or something.
So can I still go down there and do
Where's the tag that belongs on this car?
I got this from a used dealership.
And they didn't give it to you?
They didn't give me no. They gave me a temporary tag.
But you never got the
No, it was recently. They gave me a temporary tag, and that's how come.
Okay, no biggie. All right. Yeah, if you don't mind.
This is the
I'll
guy
get
right
one
here.
side.
Y'all ain't even gotta do all that. Just now.
Well, I'm gonna search the car anyway because it smells like weed. But like I said, if it's just a little bit, I ain't worried about that. All right?
No, I told you, my friend had, I could come and talk to you. I could be honest. I don't
Okay, well, talk to me.
My friend had the car yesterday.
Okay.
She went and picked something up.
Mm-hmm.
I got the car back.
What did
and
she
I
pick
can
up?
tell you what. It looked like a little
Hold
bit
on,
to me. It's
come
in
on,
the,
right
I'm
here,
sure to
right
show
here.
you.
I understand, come right. I'm
It
about to
says
look.
the armresting.
So you don't know what's in there?
I never went in it.
Okay,
I
that's
went
fine.
and got my hair
Just
done,
stand in
and
front of my
that's
car.
That's fine.
Just give me a second. Yeah, It is strong too. And she said I don't know what's in there. Yeah. She said her friend picked something up yesterday.
Yeah, I thought she said she picked something too.
Yeah. Good Lord, it's strong. Oh, okay. Oh.
There you go. There you go.
Smack me in the face.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
So she's saying she didn't know that was there?
She said she didn't know what was in it, but she did. She said she picked some up.
Inside the car, see if that.
Oh, what? Yeah, I got pulled over.
All right, just hold on.
I'm not gonna say I'm gonna go there. It's not right here. That's why I'm not trying to stand in front of it. I was trying to.
She said, oh, what?
No, I'm not.
All right, so look, this is what we're doing, all right? All right, so right now you're going to be placed under arrest for marijuana. But if this weighs under an ounce, I'm going to let you go on a ticket. But if it's over,
Please,
you
sis,
gotta
I
go.
got a newborn baby at
got
home. I don't
you.
have no family.
I got you.
have
But there's
no
no way
one.
you can tell me this sitting in your middle console
No,
you ain't know that.
No, what I told
That's
you
in
was
possession.
No, can I
Go
tell
ahead.
you? No, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is too tight on my left wrist. And I just sprained my wrist too recently. Yeah, a little bit. So maybe because of the watch. To be honest, I told you, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm being very upfront. My friend had borrowed the car yesterday. When I got the car back today, I just literally left the hair salon. You can look at my GPS.
I got you.
She asked me. She said, I left something in the car. Can you drop it off to me? I didn't look in the glove compartment because my main concern was when I got the text message from my friend and his wife, it was about the plates. And I said, I did not want to get myself in any. So let me come get my key and go and take care of the plates.
All right, so right now,
Newborn baby at
right
home.
now, because
And
you
my
threw that
other
tag on the
daughter.
back of the car, also
I
concealed.
didn't throw it on there. It's been on there for months.
All right, but it's been on your car and you put it on there, right?
Yeah, the guy
Okay.
put my friend.
So
put
what
it
I'm
on
saying,
there.
that's called concealing the identity of a motor vehicle. You can't do
Okay,
that.
I didn't know
So-
that.
So let's figure everything out. I'm gonna let you know what's going on. I'm not gonna keep you in the dark, okay?
So I gotta go. You're gonna book me.
You're gonna go to 150.
You're gonna go to our police department,
Yeah,
and then once we figure out how much this weighs, because this looks like it might be over an ounce.
I got
So-
my.
so
Can I
give me a
at least call
second.
My daughter. Can you call my daughter?
Yes, ma'am. Well, I mean, it's not gonna be private because I'm gonna have a body camera recording.
No, I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care. I was just saying.
Okay.
What? How long does this procedure take? Because that stuff didn't long.
I understand, but unfortunately, you're in possession of it because you're sitting right next to it. You get what I'm saying? And I ain't trying to give you a hard time, but I can smell it. I know you smelled it.
Yeah, that's why I said I told you
Right.
what I was doing.
And you told me that you picked up something,
No, I didn't say.
and then you said that your friend picked up something.
No, I didn't pick up anything.
No, you told me that your friend picked up something,
Yeah,
which,
I didn't pick up nothing.
I understand.
I was coming to pick up something from
So,
her, which was the other key.
right, so regardless of who picked up what and whatever, you are in possession of that weed because you're sitting right next to it.
So,
You get what I'm saying?
I
I got you.
Nobody. I'm not from here. live here. I'm from New York, and I got 2 kids at home.
So why are you here and not with your kids?
Because I went to go braid my hair.
Okay, so why are you here?
I came to get my other key. That's what some of you.
Your other key to what?
My other key to the car and my plate.
Okay, so who is your child with now?
My child's with my other daughter. My
Okay. Was you able to call anybody?
I was able to call my daughter, but my daughter's scared.
Okay.
She was saying I was going.
You don't have any other adults that you can call? Because if not, I have to start defects out there.
No, that's why I said you could give her the key.
Key to...
You can give her my bag, just not the phone.
Okay, you want her to have the bag, not the phone?
Yeah.
Everything else in the bag?
Yeah, she can have the whole purse.
Okay.
Take the whole bag.
So she wants you to have the whole bag. You want to talk to her?
I'm just trying to figure out when I go down there, like,
right.
Am I going to be staying there? Like,
no, so so you're being charged with possession of marijuana more than an ounce because it was over 28 grams. Okay? It is a felony. Unfortunately, you're going to have to conceal an identity of a motor vehicle as well. And that's a misdemeanor traffic citation type thing, but unfortunately you're going to the cab, so they're both warrants. So you'll get a bond amount when you get in. You have to talk to a judge because it's a felony. So you
talk to a judge today?
Possibly. It could either be today or tomorrow. So that's what you're dealing with right now, unfortunately.
All right, let's break down what just happened here, because this case is a perfect example of how multiple small issues can compound into serious legal consequences, even when someone believes they're doing the right thing. This encounter begins with a license plate alert. Automated license plate readers flag the vehicle because the tag attached to it has been reported stolen. That alert alone gives officers legal justification to initiate the stop. And that's critical. It doesn't matter whether the driver personally stole the tag or not. If a plate is reported stolen, officers are obligated to investigate. Now, from the driver's perspective, she believes she's being proactive. She explains that the dealership changed ownership. The plate was no longer valid, and she was on her way to fix the situation at the DMV. But here's the legal reality. Intent does not override legality. Once she continues driving with a plate that does not belong to that vehicle, she is technically operating an improperly registered motor vehicle. This leads to the first major legal issue: concealing the identity of a motor vehicle. Many people misunderstand this charge. It doesn't require criminal intent. It simply means that a plate is being used in a way that prevents law enforcement from accurately identifying the vehicle. Even if the plate was placed there by someone else months earlier, continued operation of the vehicle makes the driver legally responsible. Then comes the second turning point: the odor of marijuana. Under current law in this jurisdiction, the smell of marijuana still provides probable cause to search the vehicle. That's not a judgment call. It's settled case law. Once the officer detects a strong odor, the search becomes lawful regardless of how cooperative the driver is. Here's where the situation escalates rapidly. Marijuana is located in the center console, an area immediately accessible to the driver. That matters. Legally speaking, this is considered constructive possession. It does not matter who allegedly left it there. If you are the sole occupant of the vehicle and the substance is within your immediate reach, the law presumes possession. And this is the moment many viewers will debate. Is that fair? So let me ask you, do you think it's reasonable for someone to be held responsible for what's inside their car, even if they claim they didn't put it there? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is where law and emotion collide. The weight of the marijuana is the next crucial factor. Under an ounce, this would likely result in a citation or misdemeanor. But once it exceeds 28 grams, the charge becomes a felony. That single measurement transforms the entire case, affecting bond eligibility, court procedure, and long-term consequences. At this point, the officer explains the charges clearly: felony possession of marijuana and misdemeanor concealment of a motor vehicle's identity. Importantly, the officer also explains the process: transport, booking, bond, and judicial review. This transparency matters and is a key reason this interaction remains procedural rather than chaotic. Emotionally, the most powerful moment comes when the driver mentions her newborn child. This is where real life collides with legal reality. The law does not weigh parental status when determining probable cause or statutory violations. Officers may empathize, but enforcement does not pause for personal hardship. Another difficult moment arises with child custody concerns. When an arrest occurs and no immediate guardian is available, officers are legally required to involve Child Protective Services. This isn't punitive. It's procedural, and it underscores how quickly consequences ripple beyond the initial stop. So let's summarize the key takeaways. First, never drive with a plate that does not belong to your vehicle, even temporarily. Second, anything accessible inside your car can legally be considered yours, regardless of who last used the vehicle. Third, odor alone can justify a search, depending on jurisdiction. And finally, small compliance issues can escalate into felony charges faster than most people realize. Now, here's the broader question for you. Do you believe the outcome here was unavoidable? Or could different decisions earlier have changed everything? Would you have handled this situation differently? Cases like this are why body cam footage matters. It shows how the law is applied in real time, without hindsight, without editing, and without emotion overruling procedure. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns. These are the cases everyone talks about, but only after it's too late.